Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take your PowerPoint that you're working on and download it so that you can put it into iMovie or Windows Live Movie Maker, both of which are standard software on the computer's operating system. So from your PowerPoint in Google Drive or Grapevine, you're going to download it by going to File. You're going to go to Download As, and you're actually going to choose to download it as a PowerPoint. Okay, and then it's going to download just like that one did. In order to open that, you're going to double click it, and it will open on your computer. You know that it's working because it'll be flashing. And when it opens in PowerPoint, you will see it looks like this. So you're not going to do anything to it because your PowerPoint part is already done. You're just going to change the format of the slides themselves. So you're going to go to File again, except this time you're going to go to Save As, and you're going to choose down here where it says PowerPoint Presentation, you're going to choose instead JPEG File Interchange Format and press Save. It's going to ask you, do you want to export every slide in the presentation or only the current slide? You're going to choose every slide. So then once you've downloaded them, the PowerPoint, and you've saved them as pictures, you're going to open your Movie Maker. I'm starting with Windows Live Movie Maker, which you find on a PC under the Start menu or under the Windows logo in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Then you're going to click Add Videos and Photos, and you're going to go to where you saved that file for pictures. Mine is showing right here, Skilled Shell Silverstein. And I'm going to double click it because it's a folder and I need to open them all. And since I'm on a PC, I can hold the control button, and that lets me choose all of the pictures at once. And once I've chosen all my pictures, I'm going to click the bottom right hand corner of the box where it says Open. And it's going to push all of those pictures, all those PowerPoint slides, into the Movie Maker as pictures. The next thing that we want to do is we want to add transitions. So if I hover over them, see, it will show me what they look like, which is helpful. And so I'm going to choose a simple one like this. And it's going to ask me if I want to add music, and I'm not going to choose to add music yet. I can go back and do it later, so I'm going to click No. Okay. And then I'm going to start editing the titles. So I can take this slide out because I already have a title slide right here, so I don't need to leave that in there. And then there are some fun ones here at the end for directed by, starring, filmed, and so on. And when I'm fairly certain that I've finished, I can press play, and it will show me what my presentation is going to look like when it's playing as a video, just like this one is right here. There's no music yet because I haven't added any music yet, but you could also read the poem aloud, you could record your voice doing that, you could do all sorts of things. And if you wanted to add music or sound later, your voice or music, if it was appropriate, things like that, you would do it here with the Add Music button. So again, to add music, you click the Add Music button. And the last thing I need to tell you is when you are ready to be done and you're totally finished, you go to Save Movie, okay, and you're going to go down in the menu to For Computer, okay, because we actually want to save a pretty small file. And it's going to save it to your computer, and that will allow you to upload it to your Grapevine or to Edmodo so that you can share it with the class. Okay, So now we're going to look at the difference between importing pictures into iMovie and importing pictures into Windows Live Movie Maker. So I have iMovie open, and I have told it that I want to create a new project under File, New Project, and it brings up this window. And in this window, it will do many different things. It will import some transitions for you, which are very cool. And I think for the purpose of explaining, I'm going to choose Film Strip. So I'm going to click Create. And then I can drag media here to create a new project. And you can see here in the window over here, I have my Finder open. So before I can insert my images, I have to open them in iPhoto in order to import them. So I've double-clicked iPhoto. And as part of iPhoto, in order to get them in there, I have to go to File, and I have to go to Import to Library, and then I have to choose the pictures that we downloaded from the PowerPoint, which are right here. And in order to do that, I highlighted the slides, and I went up to File, and down to Open With, down to Other, and then I scrolled down in the list, and chose iPhoto from the list of applications to open them with, and then clicked Open. So now you can see that they're open here in iPhoto, and they are not quite in order, but we can fix that in a minute. So we're going to go back to iMovie, and in iMovie, now we can see our event right here. So we're going to choose all of these photos, and we're going to drag them up in the order that we want. And they are numbered correctly, so we'll be able to see what order they go in, even though it mixed them up. Okay, I have finished inserting all of our pictures that we downloaded as the PowerPoint slides, and just like in iMovie now, if I want to see what it looks like, I go here and I press play. And it will show me what it looks like. And once you've gotten them in here, you can play here with the music. You can add more to it. You could put captions in. You could play with the transitions. You could put maps and backgrounds in. You could do all kinds of different stuff, but you have the basis of your project already in here. And that's how you do it in iMovie.